What's going on, everybody? It's Ben with Buy It, Break It, Fix It. I got an unboxing for you. Stick around. Alright, so I'm out here in my little workshop. I set up a little workbench behind me. I put my RC Mart banner back here. I got my computer back here. I'm just watching some Johnny Rain's painting videos, and I'll show you why I've been watching some painting videos. This is why we've been watching videos. This is the new unboxing. It's the MST CFX-W. Now, I was going to unbox this whole thing, show you everything that came in the box and all that, but you know, we just don't care about that stuff. Okay, so here is the MST CFX-W JP1. This is made by MST. It's a Jeep body. It's a kit. It does not come with the electronics, the servo, or the receiver. I chose to put a Castle Mamba X 2280 kV crawler motor and ESC in here. So I've already hooked my Castle link up to it, and I've set my drag brake and all that stuff. I've also set up my auxiliary wire here to be on my third channel. I have an extra TRX4 receiver and transmitter that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to use the third channel, which is on the should be this red button here, and that'll be my drag brake. So turn my drag brake on or off. So just to go over this thing real quick, it's a 1/8 crawler. That's what they say, but it's pretty comparable to a TRX4, with the exception of the size of the tires. It's pretty nice. The assembly was effortless. I had no problems doing this kit. Front and rear axles are the exact same, so you have front axles on the front and the rear. So this is the front with your steering link and all that, and then on the rear you have these little brackets here which prevent this from turning. So we will eventually make this a 4-wheel steer. We'll put a Reefs 444 on the back of this too. And then all you do is take these off, add your steering link, and all your other stuff. So, and you're good to go in your servo. So, these are metal links. Somebody had said that they were plastic. They are metal. So, metal links, plastic rock sliders, plastic drive shafts, all metal gears inside, plastic axle housings. I mean, it was a great build. I had a couple problems with it. First off, my one problem is I think something's going on with the shocks. I don't know if I'm getting airlock in there or vape. I don't know what. I have no idea. Call it vapor lock on some things, but the pistons inside the shock had to be cut off the tree. I don't know if I trimmed them up 100%, but it's weird. So, and also this is the oil they give with the kit, 10 mineral oil. I did use this in there just because I just wanted to assemble it, the way they had it out of the box. So yeah, I do have my Castle motor in here. Got my sensor wire plugged in. Now they give you a plate here in the back to mount your receiver and your ESC to. The wires for this, because of the ones I'm using, the wires for this, they reach, but they just barely reach, and the battery's supposed to sit up front here. So I was going to mount the ESC here, but the wires barely reached. So I went to my local hardware store and bought a sheet of let's see, this is just sheet metal. See if I can get that to focus. Sheet metal, 25 gauge, aluminum finish. So I did that. I cut off a tiny little chunk down here at the bottom, and I made this bracket here. And yeah, I messed up on my screw holes on the bracket, but it's okay because it works. This is the on-off switch. So I just simply mounted this in with the rock slider. Yeah, I messed up my holes there too, but it works. It's functioning. It actually works, and It looks halfway decent, and gives a little bit of protection up underneath here. And what's nice is when the body's on, I can reach up through the rock slider and turn it on and off this way if need be. So the wheels are not bead locks, they are glue-ons. I've not glued them yet, so just to give you an idea. We do have the Reefs 444 servo in there. This is the one that we did the water test with. I did no maintenance to this servo. I'm just kind of still torture testing it. And so this is right out of the water, right into the truck. All I did was wipe off the exterior with a rag just to dry it. So this truck has a feature where you can turn the C-hub, like the C-hub straight up and down right now. You can turn it so it's 10 degrees back or 20 degrees back. And I have no idea what that does. So let me know in the comments down below, what does that do, turning the C-hub a degree back? So these C-hubs, when you assemble them, see, they recommend the original setting is 10% back, leaning back. And then you can go an optional 20, or you can go 0 straight up and down. Now, I set it up with the 10. I'm pretty sure I was at 10, so it doesn't matter if I was at 10 or 20. As you can see, it's supposed to be able to set up either way. So what happened was I set it up at the 10, and what I did was, when you set that up at the 10, this all rotates up because the C-hub is going backwards. And when that happens, my steering link came up, and my servo horn was actually hitting the steering link down here. So I had to rotate this back to this 0 position. So any advice on that, let me know in the comments. It's cool. Everybody knows I'm new. I never claimed to be the know-it-all of RC. So if you have any advice on that, let me know, and we will get that done. So this kit was bought at RC Mart, and I had it shipped here. So I will show you the body. It's the Jeep. It's a JP1 is what they're calling it. It's a Jeep body, like a Jeep Scrambler. I don't know if everybody remembers the old Scramblers. It's what it looks like to me. So that's what's going on with that, and that's why I'm watching Johnny Rain's video. That's my Vanquish body, by the way, the Origin body. Highway 1, buy it, break it, fix it. That's what's up. Thanks, Johnny. Appreciate the shout out in the video there, bro. Alright, so I'm gonna do a custom paint job on the JP1 body. This is what I got going on. I'm not gonna tell you colors or anything like that, but this is my layout so far. It'll be an inside paint job. I've printed out all my logos and everything that I want, and I need 2 more logos I have to print out and put on here. But yeah, that's about it. So the next video will be a reveal of the body and a running video. So yeah, let's just we'll get this all finished up. I'll get it painted up, and then we'll reveal this thing, and we'll see what's going on. Just for those that are curious, this is a 313 mil wheelbase, so 313 millimeter wheelbase, 230 mil wide, 313 wheelbase long. So that's what you go. I don't want to show too much of the box. You can go in the store and look at the box. So this is what we're interested in, is all this. So the portal axles on this thing are just amazing. They're very, 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 very beefy, very well made in my opinion. So like I said, everything went together nicely. I used their grease. I used all of their grease, and I actually used every last bit of the grease. Alright, sorry about the short video, but the next video will be the reveal of the paint job and all the accessories. You know, all the accessories come with it too. You got the mirrors, the snorkel, and all that kind of stuff with it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the tail lights yet. So, because the tail lights, oh, I don't know. The tail lights, you have to drill a 5mm hole back here to put them in. So I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. I might just leave it. So yeah, we're representing RC Mart on the back there. All right. If you're interested in these, just go to rcmart.com and check them out. and pick you up one. I'm not sure if they're in stock right now or not, but all right, there you go. MST CFX-W JP1. CFX-W. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. See my Vanquish back there? Ooh. Man, that thing looks good. Yeah. So, all right. Next time we're out, you'll see the JP1 with the reveal of the paint job and a run video. We'll do a run video and just see what it can do. Maybe we'll do, I don't know. We'll see what we can do. But I need to get the tires glued on and get the rest painted. So, all right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Be good to people. People be good to you. Ignore my installation on the wall there. So, it's just my little man cave.
It's like a little bat cave. It's not even a man cave. It's just a little bat cave.
All right, everybody. Ben, out.